Nothing like the buzz North London Derby Day. Here we go, Arsenal versus Tottenham coming up. A bit of a behind the scenes tour of what it's like reporting on the North London Derby. 2 hours away from kickoff here, and as you can see behind me, it is rammed already. Right, just got to do my pre-match superstition. Hold on. There's my dad and my stone out here, just outside the armoury. Always have to touch it before every game. Hopefully it brings us luck today. Just under the stadium now, which is where we come in, press. Players' coaches arrive over there. Just heading into the media room. So we are inside the stadium now on Derby Day at 11 o'clock, or just gone 11 o'clock, so about an hour and a half away from kickoff. Fans, as you can see, already starting to make their way in. There's going to be a bit of a display over there. You can see the flags already on everyone's seats, so that should be interesting to watch as the players come out in about an hour and 20 minutes time. It's going to be a hell of a lot louder then than it is now. I tell you that. I mean, it's really busy out there already. I think it's going to be one hell of a atmosphere in here. It always is, but you can just tell everyone's up for it just from the mood outside the place at the moment. All the world's media down there. Press box where I sit is just up behind me, so that's where I'll be in about an hour and 20 minutes time. And the Spurs players out there now having a look at the pitch, getting used to their surroundings. Hopefully they're going to be a very disappointed bunch in a few hours or so. Speak to you in a bit. Here we are now, sat in the press box. We've got, about 45 minutes away from kick-off. I'm sure you've seen the team news already. Good news for Arsenal. Party and Zinchenko starting. I now be about to do my YouTube live that I do before games. I'm sure plenty of you watch. I'm just preparing for it right now. I'm just going to show you the screen. It's there. Just getting ready to put the thumbnail out and go live. So yeah, players not quite out warming up yet. Keepers out, but no one else. But warm-ups starting very, very soon. 45 minutes till kick-off here. Plenty of fans now beginning to make their way in. So 1-1 here at half-time. Frustrating now. Arsenal so good for half an hour, leading, and then yet again they give away a penalty and let Kane score. 7 penalties for Kane now against Arsenal. His last 4 goals here in the Emirates have all been penalties. Just so frustrating. Brilliant atmosphere. Arsenal fans been bang on it from the start. Game evenly poised at half-time. 1-1. in. Oh, what a day that was. What an afternoon. It's all pretty quiet in here now, but wow. When the fans start filtering out, what an atmosphere, what a win, what a performance, aside from a little bit of a nervy bit right there before half time. Another win for Arsenal, top of the league. Spurs well and truly beaten. Oh, special afternoon.